Hey guys, Drifter ZZ here. In today's video, we're going to rebuild one of the hard-to-find rollers on a NordicTrack Skier. Please hit the like button, as this helps us out greatly. This video is about rebuilding the roller. We've sped through the footage on disassembly of the skier. There will be a link in the description for a video focused on disassembly of the skier. Locate a deep well socket that is slightly smaller in diameter than the diameter of the end sleeves of the roller. The inside of this roller consists of a spacer, a clutch bearing, and a spacer. Reassembly. Press in the new clutch bearing followed by a spacer. I will put a link in the description on where to locate the clutch bearing. Flip over the roller and install the second spacer on the other side of the roller. This video is focused on the rebuild of the roller. We've sped through the assembly footage of the skier. There will be a link in the description for a detailed video of reassembling the skier.